Good morning guys, in front of me is ULEFONE Note 17 Pro, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open new message. So once you've got keypad right in front of you, obviously it can be any other panel like browser, some search area, wherever you can reach a keypad, mark settings icon, choose languages, tap on add keyboard, and choose the language that you want to use. You can either scroll all the way down till you find it, or provide it in the search area. Tap on done then, and you can either stay with both languages. In that case, you will be able to switch between them by using this word icon here. Or you can leave one language only, and then this icon disappears, and you've got access to selected language only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.